All right, we have a little whatchamacallit here.
Objective located. East. 100 meters. Objective located. East. 50 meters.
Enemy tactical asset within range. Objective critical stratagem available.
Liberty, save me! Engaging terminal. Hellbomb armed. Clear the area.
Oh shit!
Waste enemies, not
Follow me. Get some! Get some! Found something! New man!
We got supplies up here. We might as well just.
How'd you like the game so freedom? Supply. My body. For super Earth. Supply. Working for my life for super Earth. Calling down a sentry! Throwing supply beacon!
Deploying equipment package.
Reloading!
Oh. Well, I got a solo cell. Just got that fucking Bile Titan.
Thought time!
What's the play?
Anti-personnel mines.
Their lives were in our
Yeah, you gotta be more mindful.
Joining the fray. Orbital inbound. Attacking map. North. Close. Requesting orbital. Reloading. Calling in orbital. New mag! How'd you like the taste of freedom?
Holy shit! You know, like sometimes they just come out of nowhere and absolutely like I should have like don't play with matches. Like it was rough, dude. I was like, oh here you and I'm dead.
Reinforcements have been launched.
For prosperity! Calling down fortification!
Outpost cleared.
Dropping a pin. Southwest. 100 meters.
This anti-personnel minefield is sweet.
Requesting sentry.
Our citizens depend on you for their safety.
Calling down supplies.
Reinforcing.
Why wouldn't it?
Orbital inbound.
Point me to the enemy. Tagging map. South. 200 meters. Requesting orbital.
Firing non-lethal payload.
Heavy. Southeast.
That was awesome.
Calling in reinforcement.
I still saw the charger.
Request approved. Reinforcements have been launched.
Yeah, I want everything.
Requesting fortification.
Calling in orbital strike. Requesting orbital.
Reporting to the front.
Squad lost. Deploying replacement
That's the
squad.
guy that threw a grenade on me with no lives left. I know you're not talking shit.
Request approved. Reinforcements have been launched.
Maneuver on your way down, Tonto. You got this.
Ready to liberate.
Sending down equipment package.
New stuff for you or just stuff for me?
Calling down a support weapon. Dropping a pin. South. 100 meters. Orbital inbound. Calling down a sentry.
Deploying sentry.
Orbital inbound.
Throwing supply beacon.
Deploying equipment package.
Hostile breach. Support weapons west.
Oh, a guard dog and a grenade launcher? Let's fucking go, dude. I'm not gonna get touched the rest of this round.
Get some! Get some!
Oh my god, are you fucking kidding me?
Squad lost. Deploying full replacement.
I landed on one anti-personnel mine. Like, there was nothing else
Request
around.
approved. Reinforcements on the way.
And yes, I called it mine for some reason.
Mission at 30 minutes remaining.
Tagging map. South. 100 meters. New mag. pin. Northeast. Close.
Terminate hive structure destroyed. Reinforcement budget depleted.
Already got me too. They're really, really effective. It's just detrimental and
Point me to the enemy.
we need supplies
Requesting sentry.
shortly.
Tagging map. Northwest. 100 meters. Say hello to democracy. New mag. Reloading. How about a nice cup of liver tea?
Trying to find this hive drill thing.
Dropping a pin. South. 100 meters.
I wonder if this is it. Dude, having this backpacking rover is just super duper sweet. I feel like it should be right here. Nope.
Additional reinforcement funding approved.
I mean, what's up, dude? Nice. This is for sure it.
You will never destroy our way of life.
Objective critical stratagem available.
My life for Super Earth.
Minefield going where we entered.
Objective critical stratagem no longer
There.
available.
Behind you. Got you. I got you. Yeah, dude. The rocket pod actually got him. I told you.
Calling in reinforcements. Going to fly beacon. Ready to liberate.
That's fun. I love when that happens.
More weapons.
Damn, it's a long call in. Oh my goodness. Dude, one of them dies, they take out the rest of them, you know?
Supplies. I got the terminal.
Additional reinforcement funding approved.
Get, there's a breach right on your gear.
Throwing grenade. Calling down a sentry. Requesting orbital. Requesting advanced weaponry. That's called democracy.
Do-si-do with this charger from hell for the last like 20 minutes.
I got the terminal.
I have...
Get some! Get some! Engaging terminal.
Nice. Great job.
Tagging map. 200 meters here.
Go back this way.
Additional reinforcement funding approved.
Heavy, heavy. Throwing grenade.
Hell yeah, brother.
Requesting equipment.
Hello, you too. Fuck.
Requesting sentry.
Where are those supplies? I can't see it.
Mission at 20 minutes.
Oh,
remaining.
got him. We got a breach.
How'd you like to taste some freedom?
I'm on it.
Mag's empty. Orbital inbound. Tagging map. East, 50 meters. Stay Hell divers. Have a taste of democracy. Bust on the street.
streaker nest. Yep. Yeah.
Objective located. Northeast. 100 meters. Last reload. I got the
Go ahead.
terminal.
Okay.
Wait.
Oh man, it's nasty out here.
For prosperity.
Orbital inbound.
Heavy. Northeast. On my position. Freedom forever.
On.
Requesting fortifications.
Objective critical strategy.
Calling in a hell bomb. For prosperity. Fly.
Where the hell's the hell bomb? They blew it up. Yeah, they must have blown it up.
Reloading.
Terminate hive structure destroyed.
Dropping a pin. Northeast. 200 meters. Bug tunnel bridge. NATO ode to democracy. Have a taste of democracy.
Dude, the guard dog's awesome. I take it to any faction. Oh, stalkers.
Terminate outpost purged.
How'd you like to taste of freedom?
9 hole.
Calling in orbital strike.
Helldiver, you are moving outside the mission area.
Calling down a sentry. Back empty. Get some! Get some! Last reload! Calling down supply!
Dude, the nice thing for me is this diligence counter sniper packs a punch for a light, and then you have the guard dog, which essentially is medium. light, medium, and heavy. I got one for everything, you know. Fuck. How are we out of lives? Fuck. That's okay.
Have a taste of karma. Tagging map, southwest, 100 meters, bug tunnel breach. Found something! Orbital inbound. Calling down a support weapon.
Hive structure destroyed.
Gotta fix this Liberty-forsaken arm!
Ready?
Additional reinforcement funding approved.
Requesting sentry.
Request approved. Reinforcements on the way.
Dropping a pin, northwest, 100 meters.
Fine. Here.
Joining the fray.
It's over there. Got stalkers. Drop
Sentry,
it.
east,
Knock me into the well.
calling down. Requesting orbital. We've got equipment. Fire in the hole! Heavy, southwest, close.
Warning, you are leaving the mission area.
Supply's bad.
Marking location,
Perfect.
south.
Ayo, perfect. Asking you shall receive. Now you're in really good shape. Alright, what are we doing? We got 10 minutes. Let's go knock out this nest. I already started on some of them. Oh, you know what we could do?
Last reload!
Keep him at bay. Keep him at bay. I'll hit him with a solo style. We'll be good.
Additional reinforcement funding approved.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Mission at 10 minutes remaining.
Solo silo. Yeah, I didn't announce it, so you wouldn't have.
More weapon. Democracy has landed. We've got equipment, supplies. Follow me! Calling down a sentry!
breaching the.
Follow me.
Oh shit! Mines. I forgot about these. What do you do? Throw a grenade at your feet or some shit?
Liberty, save me! Requesting orbital.
Oh, I gotta wait 27 seconds. Yeah, I've been working on it.
Fire in the hole.
Terminal outpost purged. Additional reinforcement funding approved.
Reporting to the front.
Find this fucking drill, huh? That sounds like my favorite kids book. So you love me. I got the belay, bro. I got the belay. The soul silence coming in handy.
Orbital inbound.
Firing
I
non-lethal.
remember when that thing first came out, you and I geeked out so hard. We're like, oh my god.
Requesting sentry.
One of the pain points of like learning how to use it. Where are we at? Come on, we gotta be close to something,
Heavy
right?
east. 50 meters.
What's up? I've been trying to.
You'll never destroy our way of life.
Additional reinforcement funding approved.
Looks like where it's supposed to be.
Ain't bad.
Calling in reinforcements. Calling down fortifications. Bug tunnel breach.
Joining the fray. Heavy, wet, close.
5 minutes remaining.
Watch the advanced
5 minutes
weaponry.
remaining.
Throwing supply beacon. Tagging map. Southwest. 100 meters.
Right there, where that Gatling barrage and breach is the actual objective. So.
Got equipment. Requesting orbital. Heavy on my position.
I think so.
Sentry!
Bug outpost destroyed.
Heavy! Southeast! Close!
Additional reinforcement funding approved.
Reloading!
Must be the objective or no? This is not the objective. We have 3 minutes to find the objective. Objective. Oh god, that's it. Yeah, that would be fucking bullshit. On. Alright. Where? What the fuck? Where is everything?
Dropping a pin. North. 100 meters. That's called democracy!
Come on, you're usually good at finding this stuff. Don't rely on me. I couldn't find my way to the bathroom, you know what I mean? I really felt it was right where I'm at, but it's not. And that's a challenge.
Attacking map. Northwest.
You did?
100 meters.
Hell yeah, brother.
What was that? You want me? Follow me. Calling down supply. Requesting fortification. They're taking orbital inbound. New mag. Get some! Get some! Engaging terminal. Requesting sentry.
Sending down sentry. 1 minute remains. Destroyer departure imminent.
Say hello to democracy!
It was the night before I had to go to my meeting and all through the house.
I got the terminal!
Not a ball titan was stir. That's it? Alright, supplies right here.
You will never destroy our way of life!
You have accomplished
In the words of Atlanta rapper Ludacris, let's roll out.
Dropping a pin. North. 50 meters. Calling down fortifications!
Super destroyer leaving emergency transport deployed.
radius. Have a taste of democracy!
Jesus, they're everywhere over here, dude.
ETA T-minus 1 minute 30 seconds.
And when I say everywhere, I mean fucking everywhere. Oh my goodness. Yeah, you want a lit extract, that's what you're getting, Bubba. I got a breach right on OBJ.
New mag!
ETA T-minus 1 minute.
to be an issue for me.
Reloading.
Just don't have enough.
ETA T-minus 20 seconds.
Throwing grenade.
Sorry.
ETA T-minus 10 seconds. Clear landing zone.
How about a nice cup of liver tea? Ocean 1 arriving at coordinates.
He's done. He's dead. Just keep running from him. His butt's popped.
Countdown initiated. Stand by for takeoff. Say hello to democracy.
That's funny.
Extraction complete.
I gotta go knock out a client.
The citizens of this city will thank you.
It was not bad. Sometimes it is. I always have to look out for those little holes, man. I'm the king of falling in those. This is Sparta's. No, we were good. Mine's got me. Yeah. Yep. Oh yeah, like first call in, first round of the day type. Yeah. That's it for me today, unfortunately. Smooth, chill. Yeah. I really like that Diligence counter sniper, man. It's got a lot of kick for a light armor, dude. Let's see these. Oof. You and I freaking did 1,700 kills.
The existence of high casualty missions implies
That's pretty
the
incredible.
existence of low casualty missions, and we can take some solace in it.
Yeah, 'cause